3 Weather Lab. Here's Daniel's True View forecast.
Welcome back, everyone. Well, we had a shower fire up in Acadiana just an hour or so ago. Worked its way through Lafayette. Still out there on the radar. We looked at that just a little bit ago at the top of the show. But the rest of Acadiana looking pretty quiet. And we'll stay quiet through the remainder of the evening as well. Here's a look at the satellite and radar picture. Not too much going on. Most of the activity kind of died down once the sun set. Without the heat, you often lose those showers. But every now and then, one or two really kind of push on through. And that's what we saw. Kind of hung about the Lafayette area for a while, right around 8:30, started to pick up steam and then has been working its way towards the northwest ever since, and looks like it's just going to steadily work its way in that direction until it finally does start to fizzle out. So here's a look at the radar right now. Again, this is the only area where we are seeing the rain. If you had the rain earlier, everything clear now and clear to the south, so everything from about I-10 southward should stay clear the rest of the night. If you are to the northwest of about Ville Platte, then you are going to see those showers push through Opelousas, a very heavy downpour right now. That's the same could be set down over towards Washington. Sunset, things will start to ease up for you guys here in a little bit. This is going to push up along close to the Lawtell area, probably bringing a little bit of rainfall to Lawtell. If you are in Ville Platte, rainfall on the way through there as well. That will continue to work its way up through 167, eventually bringing some heavy showers. And this cell in particular has at times produced quite a bit of rainfall. Looks like it may be starting to weaken a little bit. Convection not quite as great as it was just a few moments ago. So we'll see if that pattern continues as we go through the rest of the night. Now we can continue to use some of that wet weather though, because as we've been talking about, still parts of Acadiana under drought condition. Despite the fact that we've seen a lot of rainfall here over the last couple of days, that's just how dry everything has been. So drought conditions for Evangeline Parish, North Acadia, Jefferson Davis, and even inching into St. Landry on up through Avoyelles, Rapides, and out over towards the east into Mississippi. As far as tomorrow, I think a pretty similar looking day tomorrow. You'll see one or two showers kind of getting going in the day. Otherwise, it's quiet. Mostly sunny skies up through the morning hours. It's going to be pretty warm. Temperatures in the mid to upper 70s. Heat index sitting in the 80s by 7 o'clock. It'll approach the triple digits. The heat index will as we get into the afternoon. That's when the sea breeze kicks up some of those showers. Up through the afternoon and the evening, they collapse, and then a quiet night heading into the weekend. Weekend basically going to be a repeat of that. We may end up even having some drier conditions for the weekend than we've seen over the last couple of days. Up through Saturday afternoon. Other than the sea breeze showers, not too much to worry about. As far as temperatures go, we're looking at mid to upper 70s for tomorrow. 76 in Lafayette, New Iberia, 73 for Ville Platte. That's 7 o'clock. Heat index already going to be in the 80s. We'll see temperatures approach that 90-degree range, probably getting up to 90, 91 tomorrow afternoon, especially if you avoid those showers. Could be even warmer than that if there are no clouds that start to set up at all. And then by the time Saturday morning rolls around, you're looking at temperatures in the 80s. A lot of sunshine. Hot day coming up on Saturday. Look for those highs to be back up into the 90s. Heat index going to stay in the triple digits basically from now all the way through the weekend and beyond into next week. 75 degrees overnight tonight. Not too much going on again other than that one shower, which looks like it's starting to ease up. We don't really have too much to be concerned about. 91 for your high tomorrow. A few afternoon showers possible. We'll keep rain chances at about 30%. It's kind of tough. We have so much moisture in the atmosphere. It's hard to rule those showers out completely. There doesn't seem to be anything to stir them up or get them going. That's what happened today. So we'll keep it 30–40% going just because it is so humid. I think better rain chances arrive though by Monday.
It is summer after all.
Was I surprised coming back in from break?
Me too, actually.
You too?
Were you guys waiting outside in the parking lot?
For a minute or two, yeah.
Okay, so I just made it. So.